consulate daw ba or Spain sila mag-apply. So I did a post in Ate in Spain because that was one of like I would say like pressing questions I had. Like ano ba yung difference and like why does it matter? But definitely one of the main reasons why I applied first in the consulate is because it's for my profile. I just felt like also at that time kasi wala pang masyadong DIY or um like background about itself kung paano mag-apply sa UHE. So I didn't really have much of an idea of how like it's not as complicated as what I thought it would have been. So definitely that's not a regret, but because I'm still glad that I did both because it really primed me to be prepared pagdating dun sa uhe. But definitely the main difference, or I think the main difference nila is, of course, yung answering times, and then, of course, yung requirements, and then kung ano yung makukuha mo. So, first of all, with the answering times, sa consulate kasi, it would depend sa capacity ng consulate itself. Kasi syempre, hindi lang naman DNV yung pinaprocess nila. There's other types of visa they're processing. So, definitely, if they're short-staffed, right now, it's August, so medyo in vacation yung mga tao. So, most of the consulate is short-staffed. So, medyo expect mo yan pag in Spain na short-staffed sila around August. So, that's why medyo like, I don't know if you've seen on Facebook, I updated there na yung waiting times with NIE lately is a little bit longer na than what it was like 2 weeks ago or like a week ago, ganyan. So, definitely, that's a main part of it na with consulate, medyo yung waiting times nila is longer than, uhe, like applying directly in Spain. Because applying directly in Spain, ano yan, fixed yon na 20 business days. So, as long as ma-search mo beforehand, maplano mo yung trip, yung 20 business days mo, sulit na sulit yung Schengen days mo, basically.